The practice of yoga brings us face to face with the extraordinary complexity of our own being. Trust the divine power, and she will free the godlike elements in you and shape all into an expression of divine nature. The spiritual path is one of falling on your face, getting up, brushing yourself off, turning and looking sheepishly at God, and then taking the next step. All thoughts, desires, conventions, attachments which come from outside must be ruthlessly pushed away. Sin and virtue are a game of resistance we play with God in His efforts to draw us towards perfection. Outside and above the mind, there is the play of a consciousness which is lighted by the higher truth, but man is not conscious of it, and of that he has to be conscious. Relation to some devout people, one would imagine that God never laughs. The atheist is God playing at hide and seek with himself. What the soul sees and has experienced, that it knows, the rest is appearance, prejudice, and opinion. The supreme state of human love is the unity of one soul in two bodies. Detachment is the beginning of mastery. He who chooses the infinite has been chosen by the infinite. The mind has these four levels: physical, vital, buddhi, higher mind. The super mind is far above this. There is nothing small in God's eyes. Let there be nothing small in thine. One who loves God finds the object of his love everywhere. If a religion is not universal, it cannot be eternal. A narrow religion, a sectarian religion, an exclusive religion can live only for a limited time and a limited purpose. Our human knowledge is a candle burnt on a dim altar to a sun vast truth. When we have passed beyond knowings, then we shall have knowledge. To doubt the experiences, to discourage it, let it be developed. See what is in it. The hope for a true change of human life without a change of human nature is an irrational and unspiritual proposition. The principle of yoga is the turning of one or of all powers of our human existence into a means of reaching divine being. All existence is a manifestation of God. Arise, transcend thyself. Thou art man, and the whole nature of man is to become more than himself. The only work that spiritually purifies us is that which is done without personal motives. Watch the two indignantly righteous. Before long you will find them committing or condoning the very offense which they have so fiercely censored. Turn all things to honey. This is the law of divine living. The fly that touches honey cannot use its wings. So, to the soul that clings to spiritual sweetness reigns its freedom and hinders contemplation. There is nothing mind can do that cannot be better done in the mind's immobility and thought-free stillness. When mind is still, then truth gets her chance to be heard in the purity of the silence.